Hey family, Pastor Welton here, and just taking a moment to do something a little different as I'm blessed to pastor New Life here in Detroit. Follow us on social media at New Life Anywhere. But a few weeks ago, I was kind of arrested in a moment where I have to come and just, on behalf of all of our teams here, tell all of our visitors and our worshipers, thank you. I was late to service a few weeks ago, and I was driving up the street, and I actually got to see what people go through to get to worship on a weekly basis. That's a battle I never have to fight because I'm the pastor here. I've always got a parking spot and I've always got a good seat. But man, people are parking on top of people, bringing babies, bringing whatever they can. And on behalf of all of us here at New Life, there's so many great churches in this city that you could have gone to. I'm honored that you decided to go through that much just to partner with us. I want to tell you thank you. I want to let you know we believe in you. And we expect this year to be your year.